should be now. Okay, we should be now. We should be live on YouTube now. You'll be able to see the screens, YouTube as well as Discord as well as on Twitter. Alright, I'll start with the disclaimer. This video and audio is for education purpose only. I do not sell any financial advice or recommendation to buy or sell any sort of stocks or investment. For your financial advice, please consult with your professional financial advisor before making any financial decision. Make sure you do your due diligence. You could lose your entire portfolio. It could be very, very risky, guys. Okay, thank you. Good morning YouTube. Good morning everybody. Okay, China is opening up. China, a lot of news about Chinese today. Okay, right there. Let me see this market.
Good morning, Josh. Good morning, team.
Good morning. So today is a card which month, Gopi? I mean, card which month weekend?
Yeah, I'm bullish today, so let's see.
Got you. What we need to do is let the market maker decide, and man, chase them. Otherwise, it could be dangerous, guys. So be careful, bull or bearish, whomsoever would be. Just give yourself a time. That's what I tell you. Give yourself a time. Whomsoever listening, give yourself time. You'll be more, because your market gives you 7-8 hours to play. You just need to play 1 or 2, but play the best. So if you give more time, market creates the direction, market creates the GPS. If you give more time, the people who doesn't have experience, please give yourself a time. That's what I can tell you. Yesterday somebody called me and telling me that I need to know this, I need to know that, and I say, man, there's a tons of people trade. That's fine, but you got to give yourself a time. Don't rush.
And today, industrial production, the consensus was 0.4. It came out 0.2. Manufacturing output consensus was 0.4%. It came out negative 0.1. Capacity utilization rate consensus 79.2. It came out to be 79. I'm thinking bond yields might go again down. That's my thought. It could be wrong. If you look at it, dollar is climbing back up from yesterday's low. Dollar tanked yesterday because there was the surprise rate hike on the European side. That's why we have that fall. So it's now regaining strength.
Alright, 1 minute to go, guys. Market's supposed to open in 1 minute.
Today, I think Snap is rallying because of some kind of
subscription service.
Yeah, and always Snap does something to the market, is what I believe.
Right?
Yeah.
Gopi, remember before I told you the Snap CEO always loses when they play rock, paper, scissors after hours to make an announcement to move the market.
And I think
he's really bad at that game.
Yeah, after what I've seen is Snap is the one that's moving all the market most of the time.
Interesting.
interesting. We started up high though, and now the futures are red into open.
Yeah, it's interesting.
I am very cautious today. Very cautious.
Gotcha.
Very cautious on both ways. I'm petrified.
Market just open up, guys.
Yeah, look what Bullard just said.
No,
right?
not yet. Market is LOD. Market.
Bullard came out and said basically, we need to do a Paul Volcker.
Paul Walker. Okay. Sorry, guys. I did not set up these. Okay. 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 QQQ. Okay. It's okay. Already VIX is going. Okay. VIX is positive right now. Okay. Market is trying to go a little bit up. Okay. Let's see. Ticks are turning positive. Okay, market gonna ping pong a little bit in the beginning. Okay, guys, remember market always ping pong little bit in the morning.
Do you guys have this problem? I take the minute for me to place an order on Fidelity. It's like it doesn't allow me to. Right now, I can't place any order for a minute.
Interesting.
Yeah, same here.
Wow, why is that? See, it says market orders are not accepted.
Guys,
You
VIX.
have to put limits because I can tell you why in a second, Gopi. You have to put limits in the beginning if it's not traded at that price point yet per day. That's why at the very beginning. If it hasn't been traded at that price that day, you have to put limits because
No,
the
I'm
market
trying to
order
put
doesn't.
market is open. I want to put a market order. Why
Yeah, they don't do that on the first unless it's traded first. Once you can't do it. It'll say it hasn't been traded yet. That's why.
Come on,
That's basically. I'm with you. I'm just telling you that's the reason. That's the reason. I know it'll literally give you the definition. Look into it because I'm with you. I had the same issue before.
I want to say good morning, everybody. Josh, thank you for opening up the space. Everybody, like, retweet, like his YouTube, go to Discord. Remember, do not listen to anything on Twitter. Go to Discord or YouTube. Twitter is delayed. Thank you, Josh, again. Trader Tony, thank you very much, guys. Everybody here, very, very happy and have a wonderful day. I'm sitting on my hands today. I will be listening in. Thank you very much.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
Josh, whatever, once again, I might not be able to financially help you as much as I could, but I will in the near future. All I can do right now is help promote what you have going on because it's proven fact, and I will say it just like that. You definitely taught me a lot of things, and I will say that from my own experience. And like I said, this January will be 2 years that I've been learning this, and you've taught me a lot since you opened up the spaces. Thank you.
No problem. Thank you.
Microsoft Air is flying, guys.
Alright, ticks are going down and stock is going up. So let's see. Okay, trying to analyze. Okay, still trying to analyze. Ticks are going up. Ticks are going holding right there. Stock is going up. VIX is going down.
Okay, yesterday when somebody talked about Soxel and Meta, I loaded up on them.
Nice.
Google HOD.
If Google moves and we're bullish, Google will hit 2230, I think. If we're bullish on the day like that, like you're thinking, Gopi.
And I know another thing is I retweeted yesterday on Nasdaq futures and S&P E-mini futures. We hit a DMARC 13, and that's the only indicator that has been working for this year. That I am aware of. Sorry.
Who's the guy that uses that? Is that Thomas something?
Yeah, Thomas Tork.
Man, he lost a lot of money because he was using that, and I mean, that's what I think. He just last week I was on the George Noble space, and he said that he made a couple of mistakes, and I know he was super bullish on Amazon, and he lost a lot of money. And I know why he did, because of Amazon, I guess. The DMARC and indicator he was using, and he accepted his on last Saturday. He was on his George Noble space, and he accepted his mistake. So be careful, guys, using DMARC. Anybody who wants to follow like that, be careful. It could be dangerous. Good thing about it, he accepted his mistake on public.
I still believe that when there is a choppy market, I like that indicator.
I don't know about that market. The indicator is created only for the choppy market, or
No. I don't know why it's created for, how it is created for, but it works on choppy market.
okay, I'm just giving little time. Market direction. Market is trying price of control run right here. SPY and QQQ. That's the critical area. So we have to be very careful at that area. So I'm giving little time for the market to find the direction and see what their goals are. Just give yourself a time. There we go, selling off, getting rejected right there. Guys, I'll be here for morning 2 hours. I have a graduation for my kids, so I had to leave today by 11:30, around 11:30, 11:40, something like that. Then I'll be and then I'll be.
Congrats, Josh, on the graduation.
Oh, thank you, man. Thanks, I appreciate it.
Congrats, man. Nice accomplishment for your child.
Thank you. And I'll be I might come back, because once the graduation get finished, probably, because this is his last year in the high school, so going to the college, and I'm going to Rutgers College, so might be a little longer, 2-3 hours probably, and then I'll come back maybe early a little bit if possible. Then I'll open the space and I'll tweet about it.
Perfect.
Okay, price of control line is breaking down, guys. So look like market is bullish. Market right now is turning bullish, guys. This candle supposed to close above the price of control line. This candle close, market gonna go higher. Look like market is bullish. Yep, this candle is closing. Let's see, this may be a little fight here, but if this candle goes above, then market is bullish. There we go. Yeah. I'm into SVIX. S as in Sam, VIX, SVIX.
You're short wicks, right?
Yep, short wicks.
Okay.
But no options. Stop.
Oh, I mean,
Stop.
Hey Josh,
What's up, buddy?
good morning.
Good morning.
Are you in calls on that? Or you did buy shares of it? Or?
Sure. So I'm into yesterday I bought what do you call it? SPXL long side, aftermarket long side share. Okay, no options because I don't like dirty right now because my option can be wiped out. I don't want to play anything right now. Option intraday only option, overnight no options in this market. Yeah. So
yeah, I loaded up on Microsoft, Google yesterday. When it was tanking, right? Shares, not options.
yeah. So intraday right now looking good. The price of control is also moving higher, guys. So buyers and sellers agreed at 275. It was 273 here. So buyers and sellers are getting agreed at price of 275 area. Let's see. The S&P 500 is also pointing upwards. The MACD is also pointing upwards. Let's see how things moves.
Today will be a massive short covering rallies because all the puts that were sold, all the dealers have all hedged, and today they are going to take off the hedge, and they will win both sides. They will win on their sold puts plus all the shorts they have had to hedge it.
Always look
That's
for.
my thinking.
Yep, you're right. So today is a quad which month, guys. Okay, so they have to cover their what are the shorts they have been doing. If that is the case, if they have more short or more calls or more puts, we have to analyze. But most likely they have more puts. So if that is the case, they have to cover that. Today is the last day. That's why I'm not risking. It could be go either direction, but I feel like market could be. It's not direction. It's still early. But that can happen, guys. So that's what I can think. That's why market looks like wants to go higher. So be careful on a bear side today. If market change the directions, I would come to know the first, and I will announce if I feel anything like that. Prabhu, thank you. Good morning, Prabhu. Thank you for subscribing it to YouTube channel. Thank you. I appreciate, guys. Those who are first time here, guys, on YouTube, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell button. I would highly appreciate, guys. Good morning, Rao. I try to add you up as a speaker. Alright, S&P 500 is still above the price of control line. Ticks are still holding right there at around 300 area. If ticks goes to negative, then we have to be very careful here. Price of control line on the QQQ to 275 is a critical area, guys. Okay, on a QQQ. And it's getting rejected right now a little bit here, but we need to watch the ticks right now. Let's see the direction. There is no proper direction right now. Ticks are still holding right there, so I need probably another 15 minutes to get some direction at least, because ticks are still is right there, that area. I don't see any crazy movement yet. Okay. VIX is going down, guys. VIX is going down.
Out of my 650 Tesla calls, from 10 to 15 rolled up
Oh,
higher.
beautiful, man. Look at that Tesla. I didn't even look here. Look at that Tesla, man. Man, Jeffrey, man, come on. You got to announce so at least we can look into chat. I really forgot. This was a beautiful move. Great move, man. Excellent. Beautiful. Man, Gopi announce every time what he enters. If you can, if anybody wants to announce, I would appreciate it.
Yeah, I announced yesterday about Tesla. I'm still holding them. Beautiful printing.
Nice, nice.
I also jumped in Apple 132s and Amazon 106s.
Yep, Apple looking about to break out. Apple is about to break out, and let's take a look at the Baba actually today, man. Today Baba.
Oh, KWeb. Today KWeb, man. KWeb. If anybody wants to play, KWeb.
Okay, so look, the news was good for the Baba, right? Gap up and go. So today Baba is down. Opposite. Remember, market maker do opposite. The good news become bad news. Tesla looking great today.
So when the Chinese stocks gap, guys, they always sell off in the morning when they open. Always. They take their money and run.
Like 99% time, you right? Yeah.
What's the other index? FXCI?
FSC. Yeah. Hold on.
FXI?
Yeah, no. FXC. FXC.
FXCI. That's another.
No, that's the Canadian. No. That's Canadian.
Chinese large cap. FXCI.
So the government is probably going to back the Ant Group.
Oh, it's FXI. It's FXI.
That's what I said, yeah. FXI.
Yeah, FXI, Chinese large cap. Yep, FXI.
So they may let Ant Group IPO, right? So that's friggin' huge news for Baba and China itself if that happens.
Yeah, so that could be a good short, guy. FXI, and it's getting rejected at the price of control line 32.87 low. Yep, beautiful short, guys. FXI is not a financial advice, guys. It looks to me it's getting rejected right there, and it is going down.
Buy in the money, right, for that one?
What's that?
Buy in the money?
I mean, I always like to go in the money area, is little safer side. But these are all intraday. Everything intraday, guys. Okay. Make sure everybody do their homework, guys, before you enter any of the trade. I just saw something, and it's better to look for it.
See, today gold taking a breather.
Baba is like a nose dive, guys. Baba short. Baba has a gap to fill down. Baba has a gap to fill down right there. Baba has a long way to go. It's $108. You can go to 101. Again, guys, do your homework, guys. Do your homework. Baba looking weak.
TLT selling off.
Mm-hmm.
Bond yields going up. And I might add to more TLT if it sells off.
Okay. I'm short Baba. I'm into short Baba. Again, guys, this is not a financial advice. Do your homework before you enter any of your trade.
Apple's looking bullish here. It's breaking up. Apple's leading tech.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. SPY and QQQ Apple.
Apple on breakout. Beautiful.
Beautiful breaker.
Yes, absolutely. Right here, trying a nice ascending triangle setup, and it's looking beautiful. Apple right now. Look at the chart; it's been set up. Nice, beautiful. Apple is long. Microsoft is on a breakout right now.
Yeah. Tesla on a breakout too.
Yep, Tesla is on breakout too, right there. Yep, Tesla looking great. Tesla looking great on the long side. Apple looking great on the long side. Okay.
Amazon as well, guys. Amazon.
Wix going down to the crest. Earth.
Yep, VIX is right now down, guys. VIX is printing. Okay, still SPY is battling at the 368 area, guys. Okay, it's still battling. QQQ is still battling at 275. I don't see any movement yet. Still the chart is trending upwards, but we need a strong confirmation. It's looking great so far. The trend line is intact. The bullishness is intact. The VIX is going down. Mr. Rao, I tried to add you 3-4 times, man.
Hey, Josh.
Hey, what's up? Good morning, guys. Look at the HOD, QQQ, HOD, SPY, HOD. SPY wants to break, guys. SPY wants to break. HOD, looking beautiful. Right there.
Hey, Josh.
Hey, what's up, buddy? Just hold your thought, buddy. Just a second. Okay, right there. Hold your thought. Okay, nice. Look at that, guys. Apple looking great. Apple looking beautiful. And
Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, Google, everything. I think Google is a little weak, but
gotcha.
QQQ is on.
Hey, what's up?
Josh, I just sold Shop, the 320, the one which I bought yesterday at 300. I just sold at 320.
Nice, good gap up and go. Take money and run.
Yeah, so it might come because I'm expecting a bumpy ride from afternoon, so it might go down. So that's the reason why I sold, and I am holding CRM, Crowd, and Snow.
Okay. Good,
It did not move much, but $6 on CRM, Crowd, $6, and Snow I have $3, so I'm just holding them. But Shop I took profit.
Nice.
Man, ARKK looking good, guys.
ERKK.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Good morning.
Josh, if you're bearish on China, then you can get Yang, YANG. It's a triple leverage, shorts China.
Oh man, today what happened today is you and no. So this is opposite. So it's an inverse, all right? So you got to be long on this side.
Exactly.
Yeah,
You
long.
go long, but it's a short, yeah.
Josh,
Uh-huh.
personally, I feel that today is a good day for Chinese stocks, man. Whatever you talk about, Baba, that's fine based on your charts, but I personally am very bullish.
Oh yeah. Right now it's just the intraday, guys. Okay, intraday.
Okay.
Everything is intraday. I take loss, move on.
They're just playing intraday, bro.
Yeah. Okay, Baba, I'm targeting 115 today, so I just want to tell my thoughts.
Yeah. I'm positive on China too, but since he wanted to short, that's a good way to short.
And I don't go crazy, guys. Okay, I just. So right there, okay. I like Apple.
I got into our calls, guys.
Yeah, ARC was right there. Okay.
ARC is risky, but just for today, whatever I can get out of it, I'll run.
Tesla is getting rejected. Let's see. Okay, Apple looking beautiful chart, guys. Apple looking right here. Apple looking.
QQQ,
Yep, QQQ going up. Beautiful.
Amazon looking even more powerful than Apple.
Look at the VIX, guys. Waterfall.
Amazon looking very powerful.
You got it. Amazon right now. Yep, Amazon is breaking out and gap filling up. Amazon has a gap to fill up and is going up. Amazon is up. Beautiful. Coin is going up. ERKK looking good on the long side. Meta is on a long side. Meta, META, Meta.
Yeah.
Because remember, have very shorted stock and Meta, so they might have
Correct.
to, they had to recover that. That could be the one of the case. Okay.
Tesla looking weak.
Yeah, that's the. Is consolidating in that area. Actually, tell you the way it looked like consolidating in that area. Okay, Apple
I
is
entered
also.
660 next week Tesla put 660, but this market scares me. I haven't played anything at all but that 660 Tesla put next week. I just followed like a $2 million order because of the momentum at the highs. Also, Josh, I saw some weird ordering. It was call buying for Tesla for today, but it was like 10 or 12 million dollars in the money, but it was like 390.
Wow.
That was the strike, but it was 392. You could see it, Josh. All for today, 1.3 million, 1.5, 1.7, 2 million, 3 million, total almost 20, maybe more than 20 million. All 392 strike price, deep in the money. It's just strange to me.
People are buying.
I don't know. Yeah, it's just very
Maybe
deep in
that's
the money.
maybe that's for like short term, I guess. Maybe they
Brother,
wanna take it up.
I mean, could be. I don't know. Absolutely, I don't get it. But I just hesitate a little bit when I see that.
Tony, I'm gonna tell you. Remember what I told you earlier? I had 370 fucking calls. I would have been in the money, close to in the money. I got out because I got scared yesterday. Remember what I said? I got scared. 370 I had.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Hey, it happens.
But I'm shocked too, man. No. I'm not trading actively. That's dangerous right now. What are you looking at, Josh?
It's very dangerous, Tony.
Yeah, I'm just in that puts that I mentioned, and that's it. I put one lotto on Google for next week too. That's it. Next week, I'm too scared.
Okay, yeah, Tesla. Let me see.
Might even sell the Tesla position now.
I'm watching level 3720, you know.
Aviv, I bought a 400 put on Tesla, strike price for 715.
Apple is getting rejected from the top, guys. Apple is getting rejected, and Baba is LOD. Baba is LOD.
Apple has $2 billion dark pool at 130, so keep an eye on that one.
Yeah, right now Apple. So the bullish Amazon is on bullish. Google is bullish. Tesla bullish. Meta bullish. Right today, so far the bullish flow and the bearish flow is Baba, and Apple is bearish flow coming in. So be careful little bit on Apple side, guys. Take the profit if you are on the long side because of the flow coming in. The Baba has the highest bearish flow right now.
Wow, 1.2 million Baba put just came in.
1.2 million Baba. Okay.
Josh, if we break 276, right, we're going to fill the gap. So it's both sides, right? So let's see how it moves. The Q especially.
Okay, yeah, you're right. Baba just now came out. I'm sorry. What did you say? You said what? Should I look at what?
Yeah. So I'm
Spy?
saying if Q's break 276.12, right?
Yeah.
It will going to enter in gap until 282. So So I'm watching that level. Right now it's rejected at same 276.12.
Oh, right here, yeah, you're right. So 277.60. So right, okay, let's analyze right here. People who are listening, look at your computer right now. You can see the screens. Those who are right here. So once we break 277.70, once that breaks, we have a gap to be filled, which is right here, which we mentioned 2 days ago, but did not do. So today, if it is happened, God knows. But we market gonna battle here right now. Price of control line is 275. Once that 275 breaks, then it's gonna battle here at 277.55. If that happens, okay, then it can happen. This.
There is, sorry, sorry. I
Yeah.
saw some spinning top at the resistance, so should be a nice pullback.
Getting rejected right now. VIX is popping higher. Right here. So Baba is LOD.
Hey Josh.
What's up, buddy?
Morning. I sent you something.
Okay. DM.
No, I went through PayPal.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you for everything.
Oh, thank you, man. No problem. I appreciate. What is your PayPal? I don't see anything yet.
Let me see.
Jalal?
Yes, that's me.
Oh, Jalal, thank you. I appreciate $100, man. I appreciate.
Yeah, of course.
Thank you. Thank you. Really, Jalal, I appreciate whenever you think for me. God bless you, Mary.
Yeah, of course.
Dollar going up, dollar going up, QQQ down.
Sophie, should I sell the Tesla put? Where do you see Tesla bouncing at rejection level?
Man, today I feel it's a temporary thing. It will go up, man.
I agree. This could be a scalp. I completely agree. I have no faith in either direction. This is a trap on both to keep gaining also orders. Absolutely.
It's okay. Keep taking profit. Just so right now.
I'm scalping. Yeah.
640, 650,
Tesla could hit
650, 650, 650. Right there, 650, and you can bounce.
I have a level at 277 on the Qs. We came right up to 276.90, and it came right back down.
Baba is printing, guys.
And also, guys, given and the premium on the both side is really high, so it has to give big move to give a premium. So keep an eye on that one. Don't get burned.
Sorry, never mind. We came down just over 276. My bad.
Baba is printing, guys. Okay.
You see, man, there's four 5-minute candles in this one 5-minute candle. It took down all that gains on ARKK.
Yeah.
It's so quick, man. But Josh, Q especially have very good support on 274.02. If you see right, so
Yeah.
that breaks right, then we will see 272.56. So that's a critical level if that breaks.
Market trying to bounce, guys, right there with the 100-day moving average. So market is trying to bounce. Be careful on a short side.
Hey, the dollar is rallying. Big green candle on the dollar.
Apple bounced crazy. Apple, look at the big green candle on Apple.
Yeah.
AMD has a weakness.
Just to scare away all the shorts, man. All the bulls, I mean.
And the shorts, brother.
Yeah, the shorts. I know that, Tony.
Oh yeah, man.
Did you
Even
your
the joke.
shorts yesterday? Did you?
Oh, like 90%, and then I bought the same ones as Lotto, so I'm holding them. I have a 2150 on Google for $12, and I have that's it. That's the main one.
So
I mean, technically, I could sell
money.
it. Yeah. Oh no, it was fantastic there. Swinging.
Josh, generally in quad witching, right? If first 2 hours, right? If you don't go much down, right? Then we are going to do rip in the second half. Generally, that's how it happens most of the time. They close their position and then they move to the next one. So when they close, we see the bounce.
Right.
So
Hey, just sharing because I know somebody said Soxil. About 300,000 puts of Soxil just came out, but for in the money right now for $1.38 below current price, just right now for today. Just a scalp maybe, but somebody said Soxil, so I'm just sharing.
Yeah,
Because I don't usually see too much activity on Soxil.
Man,
Yeah, I'm
look at the Baba.
Did
The
you say
Baba
you
call
have
from
enough puts?
yesterday was up 600%.
We always take the profit because market goes opposite direction. Remember.
Oh yeah, I took it right at open.
Good.
After I sold my shop, it was down $10, Josh.
Good.
You are the best scalper, man.
Yeah.
Because he asked for his price only. He buys it after hours only. He gets it at
And
the.
my order, and again I kept my order at 300.
So Gopi, what I did yesterday, so when market was going down, so I did same like the route doing. So I put a limit for TQQ and it filled at exactly my price. I don't need to check, and now it's giving me nice return today. So,
Yeah, good work, man.
yeah, that's something very beautiful. Putting limit order like at your price.
Same thing I did for
But
SPXL.
options, right? Options you can't do that, because you never know. At least there, on the stocks, you have the support level and resistance level where you can play.
No, stock you can do stock
Only stocks.
Yeah.
stocks,
Yeah.
not the options.
I mean, technically you can. It's just you're saying it's not going to get executed because of the lack of liquidity, right? Unless you're talking after hours. That's all. But technically, of course, you can.
No, even during the hours too, right? You can say if you have a support level at TQQ and you want to buy a call of TQQ at that price, you cannot say what's the support level for the option chart.
I got you. Understood. So it's not about the technical ability. It's just the levels.
Yeah.
So are we going to break down here, or are they just waiting?
We need to wait for 273.65.
273?
65. 273.65 is the support area to watch for the QQQ, and we go from there.
You see, guys, Revlon's under a takeover.
Yeah.
Man, I get in yesterday, believe it or not.
So Revlon, somebody you said buying?
Yeah, from India, some Indian company.
Okay. So these people.
It's a rumor. It's not confirmed yet, Josh.
No, it's not. Actually, get out. Yeah, I took a 1,700 profit, so I'm out.
Nice, good job, man.
It is a rumor. You never know. They
Yeah.
might back out.
Yeah, exactly. Like look at the AMD guy, AMD LOD, Baba going down. AMD, man, AMD has a lot of weakness today, so be careful. Okay, look at the Baba like rolling right now, Baba. Look at that.
Regarding Revlon, I think the rumor is true because when they asked Reliance, they said that they don't want to comment, and also they're sitting with a lot of cash. So definitely, I think it's going to be a good buy for them.
Oh man, $3 billion debt. That's a lot of money.
That is nothing for Reliance.
Yeah,
That
they
is
have
nothing for
massive
Reliance.
debt, guys. They have massive debt.
Yeah, that is nothing for Reliance. They just want to enter into the sector, and they have piles of cash. $3 billion is
I
nothing
think
for
I think they're going to buy it. I think they're going to buy it because Indian market is like
Very
look
good
at the
market,
number
yeah.
of it's a Very good market. India will grow in next 10 years.
Yeah.
That's a very good play.
And also Revlon is a good brand in India. Everyone go for Revlon.
Absolutely.
Guys, time to book the profit on a Baba. Right here, this is the area which is to 103 area. That's the gap can be filled. The gap is right little down, but I don't like to be greedy. So market bounce, Amazon, everything can bounce. So let's see. Baba, right there. Man, Baba, beautiful. Baba has a lot of weakness. Let's see. Yep, look at that candle. Okay, I'm trying to book my profit. Close and position, put it in.
Well played, Josh.
What's that?
Well played on Baba.
Yeah, thank you, man.
Facebook holding up strong, or Meta?
Oh, is it? Look at that Baba, man, going still, baby, wants to go. Wow.
71% profit from Baba. Thank you.
71% profit. Great job, man. Loving it. Good job.
Wow, I mean, Amazon call.
What's that?
Amazon call.
Amazon call. Okay. Okay. Baba. Okay. Okay. I took 60% profit in 10 minutes on Baba. 15 minutes. But good job, man. Absolutely. Those who had a congratulations.
Yeah, that was a good one.
Mm-hmm. I found the weakness the moment market I opened up and I saw the weakness, market going up and that damn thing was going down. I said, that's it, that's going to go down. Yeah. Okay, market trying to bounce probably.
Amazon showing strength.
Amazon has a lot of strength, guys. Okay, Amazon market was down, Amazon is going up. So Amazon was heavily shorted stock too. Remember, Amazon was heavily shorted.
Josh, I want to add something to this. The Prime Day is coming next month, 12th to 14th, and the expected sale around the world is $12.8 billion.
I see. Interesting.
Okay, so just want to let you know.
Guys, can you believe I put a Tesla market order to buy and it took like more than a minute to fill?
More than a minute market order?
Market order.
No, that's crazy.
No, man, there's something cooking. That's the wrong platform you must be using. What is it?
No, this is Fidelity.
Gopi, do you use Webull?
Fidelity.
No,
That's
no.
one of the best platforms.
Fidelity.
But everybody's complaining. Even
Yeah,
in
my
TG
Baba
Ameritrade.
didn't update until like a minute later.
You got to get onto the phone, guys. You say, hey, listen, I can fill up Tesla calls on Robinhood garbage platform. It takes a microsecond. Why are you taking a minute? Talk to them on the phone.
Tell them Josh said it.
I was like, where's my? I bought some Tesla calls and I couldn't see it, and I'm seeing there. It's like, yeah.
The most liquid stock you can on earth is Tesla, guys. Anytime you can fill it in a microsecond.
Gopi, it's the same thing on TG Ameritrade.
Wow.
And Gopi, the same thing in Webull at 10:07 EST. Same thing.
Yeah.
No, right now, just a few minutes back.
No, if you got your order at the price what you saw, that would have been executed, Gopi, but the servers would have processed that and show it on your computer. It would have
No,
taken
actually,
time.
it showed me filled 1 of 10, and then 2 of 10, 3 of 10, like that.
record something on your phone, Gopi, and you go back to them, call them up whenever you get a chance, and tell them, guys, listen, you made me loss of these because of these conditions, and ask for it, because this is how you can teach them, because they literally play dirty games, guys. Okay.
Okay, look here. One filled 10, 13, 25. Another one 10, 13, 32. Another one 10, 13, 40. So one by one.
Man.
Josh, are we testing your floor? Sorry, guys, we gotta.
Yeah, right here, testing the floor right now. Here is at 273.65 area. If that breaks, we're gonna go down right now.
52 week low, Josh.
Yep.
AMD 52 week low.
Yep, guys, lot of pressure down right now. Right there, MACD is pointing down. The pressure is downward, guys. Right now, pressure is downward, pointing down right there. Okay, MACD is pointing, but that's the critical area. MACD is still pointing. The pressure is downward. Ticks are negative, guys. QQQ still holding, but SPY is giving up. So maybe.
Josh, Nvidia as well. I don't know if you're looking at specifics.
What I don't like about the QQQ is not much crazy volume there. Okay, SPY has a volume, but not the QQQ. Right there. Okay, beautiful H. Right there, Apple is still holding. Baba is okay. I'm now not counting on Baba, guys. Amazon is giving up. Coin is giving up. Disney is giving up. Look at the Snap, guys. Waterfall. Snap garbage going down. EQT is going down too.
Oh, that's oil, I guess.
Yeah, oil is like a waterfall.
Yeah, USO is down.
I'm gonna sell those puts. Holy crap, it's crazy.
Tesla, yeah.
Yeah. Wow, nice.
Everything selling off. Bond selling off. Stocks selling off.
Look at that.
Dollar high of the day.
Just a macro question. Does it make sense to you guys believe the market will be bought up today regardless of quad witching, that we go up and rally? Because who wants to hold going into a 3-day weekend when any bad news could break over the weekend, like some default, some liquidation, some issue, some geopolitical problem into a long 3-day weekend? I was wondering, do you guys think they're still going to buy up?
That's a solid point. But what because today is cod witching, right? They only think about today. So
that's what I'm wondering. They won't want to hold, right? Even if it goes up or down, like they're not going to want to hold the shares over the weekend. The majority that don't have to anyway. I'm not saying anything. I'm just wondering.
If you look back, right? Look at the sell-off that we have had, and for what I'm thinking, right? Look at the sell-off we have had, and from that perspective, I'm bullish. The second one is all the dealers have sold puts. Many of them have bought a lot of puts, and now they are short those stocks too, because they have to hedge those puts, right? And now that's the short. They cover those shorts and they make money on both sides. That's my thought.
So from what I see, we have 1.4 billion purchased in puts. I think in the last 24 hours. 617 from what I see. 1.4 billion.
Yeah, and so even not only that, right? From last week, people have been buying puts. Like a lot of them have been loading up on puts.
Yeah, but I'm not sure how many remain open. That's all. I'm just wondering. I'm not sure. That's the big issue, because I have a ton before following, and I've sold a ton already. PayPal reached a 52-week low, $70.72. Like even you heard me go yesterday.
PayPal
right?
LOD right there. Everything. Yep. LOD PayPal looking super big, guys.
And that's what everybody said on Thursday before Friday meltdown after FOMC. They said everybody has puts. Everybody has puts. And FOMC next day we believed one of the worst days of the year. But the argument was.
Okay, SPY testing the floor, guys. Okay, SPY is testing the floor.
Is somebody talking? Looks like there's some news going on.
Somebody talking right now.
I mean, like one of the Fed officials or somebody.
Morning Powell talked, right? Morning.
Yeah.
Not.
Yeah.
Not, I don't think anybody's talking now.
Nvidia is waterfalling, guys.
Nvidia is waterfalling.
Yeah.
Okay. Nvidia, yep. Nvidia is SOXL. Nvidia, all the technology stocks is going down.
So Josh, if we go down, we're gonna hit that target. If we have a meltdown of where all those calls came in at the 353 to 350.
Yeah, right now look at the SPY guys. SPY LOD. SPY LOD.
QQQ breaking down.
SPY is LOD right there. Okay. Look
Putin is speaking right now. Somebody messaged us in the group.
Putin
Thank
is
you, Dor.
speaking. Oh wow, look at the SPY guys. We are testing the previous day low guys. Okay, we are about to test previous day low right there. Not that far. Previous day low. That's the previous day low we are testing. Okay. Market is about to test the previous day low.
Yeah, bond yields are going like crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Dollar running up.
Yes.
Okay, I'm looking at the SPXL. Okay, man, waterfall right there, beautiful. Call side, I'm looking at the call side because we are finding the support and see if it is bounced, not. Let's see, could be. I'm just preparing myself.
Revlon is still flying, and the short interest is 37% on that.
Yeah. $369.
They're gonna make it look like a sell-off and then pin it, and then all the bears are stuck too.
God knows, man.
I mean, I'm targeting a stupid level, 355 on SPY level, around 353, 355 for today on a sell-off.
Once we take
Because
the floor off,
really
look at guys, once we take the floor off right now, beautiful shot guys, right? This could be a beautiful shot right there. But now support is coming in guys, watchful, take the profit and run on a short side, take the profit on a run, and then again wait for it, because market is right now is a big sell-off right now, big sell-off going on guys, big something is going on. Okay, this is not a usual guys.
I think there's something. I think there's some.
Putin is talking, that's all I can tell you. Maybe he's declaring war.
No, this is sell-off going on.
Josh, somebody is requesting to speak. I think he has news. Danny McFly, he sent a request, I think he might have news or update.
Okay, let me remove a couple of guys, those Danny.
Danny, send request. Danny, send the request.
No, I see that Danny.
Hey guys.
What's up, buddy?
Just want to throw this out there. I had 600 puts on Tesla. I put a limit order at $5 to sell. They just filled.
Wow, man.
Take a look at that.
Good job, man. What was your...
Someone swept them.
Wow.
So just keep an eye on Tesla to the downside.
New news, hearing some reports that brokers are having issues with bid and ask spreads.
Oh, bids and ask spreads.
That's a trap. I don't trust that. Bid and ask spread issue, that seems like a technical difficulty. Once resolved, we're good.
Market trying to bounce, guys. Market trying to bounce. Be careful.
BS issue. Google lost all $30 profit red on the day.
You're going to see 2 or 3 bumpy rides like this.
Josh, Tesla 642.
Beautiful, look at that. Tesla is still going down. I'm trying to look for some long position guys on a SPY or QQQ, because market rebound, then don't know. I'm just looking. Okay, just you always have a cycle. I'm waiting for right now. No diversion yet, not confirmed. Maybe one leg down, market will go probably. I'm just thinking maybe may not. But
Josh, there is an issue. My limit spread is $20 difference, and it's in the money. It's a $20 difference on my limit spread. I haven't seen that.
Which one?
$20
What?
on Google, selling my Google 2150 today. I'm selling it right now, deep in the freaking money, and it's a limit spread.
Wow.
Wow, guys. Yep, absolutely. That's how
Something crazy going on, guys, in the market.
Market is trying to bounce.
Maybe there is systems are getting hacked, man. Russia hacking the systems.
Russia is hacking the system.
Maybe.
Be careful today, guys. Be careful trading.
Diversion coming in, guys. Diversion coming in. Okay. There we go. Another leg down right there on a SPY. Look at that SPY. Leg down. Bang. Right there. Look at that power. Look at that power. Right there. Okay. Yep, right there. Power is coming in. Look at that. Okay, I'm into SPY call.
I'm like loading up on Apple shares, Amazon shares.
Support is right here. Let's see if that breaks. We're gonna break down diversion. Let's see, this diversion not confirmed yet. Right here, once it breaks right there, bang, right
Josh,
there.
you said you're in SPY calls?
Yeah, right now testing my things right here at the support area. So if market bounce or not, we'll see. Market gonna do a little testing here, and if it is goes down break, then I'll just take my loss and move on.
Fed officials warned a big rate hike could add to uncertainty. Oh, President Xi spoke. China-Russia cooperation is showing good momentum across the board. China and Russia.
That's just optics. China hasn't helped Russia at all. They hasn't sent military weapons, hasn't sent anything. That's just optics.
Boris Johnson is in Kiev right now.
A lot of pressure downward, guys. Okay, I see that the ticks are right now is turning a little bit. Let's see if this is double bottom or not. I don't know. I'm just diversion is not confirmed.
There is some world news. The Russian warship violated Danish waters while they were having a democratic meeting. That's all over Bloomberg right now as well. Just noise, but just sharing that. That's everywhere on Bloomberg.
Yeah. People are equating these broker issues to GME. So.
Putin said some global currencies are committing suicide.
Here we go. The market taking the floor. LOD right now, trying right now. LOD is right there. Bang. SPY.
Man, it looks like ARK is holding up. What do you know?
ARK is oversold, man. That's why. Probably.
No, I'm thinking, is that something to do with my brokerage, or what I'm seeing is, about a big.
Now every move he will doubt on his brokers.
Like, else is happening, you know.
Alright, tables right now diversion is coming in. Maybe could be, guys, be careful right now. Look at that diversion. Okay, so if that diversion, bearish diversion is look like finish and the bull is coming in, and it's not confirmed the diversion yet, but it's look like it can happen, it cannot, I don't know, we'll see.
Does anybody know when the XPX AM expiration is? What time of day that is? 11, 10:30? Does anybody know?
Guys, I'm into XBI calls.
Gopi, what calls?
XBI.
Biotech.
Because Merck eyes purchase of biotech CGen.
These 30 games just don't stop.
Don't stop.
But Josh, I got a closing question for you. Since I consider you a market maker too, you're powerful. Listen, so there's billions of dollars being shorted right now. There's this week is OPEX, this week is MOPEX, this week is all the PEXs, and they're just gonna pass out money. These market makers are gonna take trillions of dollars of loss. People have been short forever since this whole week for the FOMC and stuff,
Good question.
But you never know, they would have already taken the profits like 3
That
days
just
of,
doesn't make sense to me. Is why would they just be passing out money?
I think that's the issue, is you're thinking that, and if you're playing the opposite side on call, they're taking the money from that side because they have you thinking the opposite, right? They're the ones in position down there, not most of the retail. Hypothetically, if you're in calls, right? Think about it. Everybody in calls has that same thought process argument, and now they're taking all that money. Hypothetically, maybe. Just thinking. But I
No,
think
for
you
sure,
can't
for
everybody
sure.
with the
But
same
I'm
mindset.
saying overall,
We
the
will
majority of the
know, guys.
sentiment
We
is
will know.
down.
We will
I
know
have
end of the
put
day.
positions open, but the funny part is it just doesn't make sense that why are they just going to be passing out money?
Yeah, look at the Baba, guys, perfectly bounced on my trend line right there. You see this perfect bounce on my trend line, Baba.
Guys, why is oil so much down?
What's our major key for SPY, Josh?
Just a second. Somebody said the Bitcoin is dumping. Let me see.
Yeah, they're destroying oil right now.
Why?
Oil and gas.
Is
I
that
have no idea.
news?
Bitcoin is in a waterfall, guys, right now. Look at that. Bitcoin is 20,400 right now. Bitcoin, look at that Bitcoin right now. Man, if Bitcoin tests 20,200, we cannot go down. Right here.
Is this the day? Is this the limit down?
Today, right here. No, today. Yeah, I'm gonna put an alert here. Let me see.
Josh, today Jay Powell said something about the digital dollar. So there's a reason for Bitcoin to...
Oh, digital dollar, CBDC, which I was talking about, right?
Yeah. So he spoke a few lines on digital dollar at 8:45. So maybe that's the reason for Bitcoin. So we can separate out Bitcoin with others.
Okay. Oh wow, yep, that could be one of the reason. I want to hear that one.
Friday, Tony?
Guys, LOD, guys, SPY broke the floor, okay? SPY broke the floor, and I'm out of my calls, okay? I'm out of my calls. I don't want to hold it or anything loss.
Dude, everything is dumping.
That's the game, guys. That's the game.
Hey Josh, I was wondering if the Asian markets are doing well, do you think it translates to our markets the next day, to North America?
No, Asian market is not a leading indicator. US market is the leading indicator.
Josh, we finally got the 7 handle on AMD.
Right there. Absolutely, man.
been holding those puts since we discussed 106, 105.
Look at that, guys. Beautiful, excellent trade off right now. NVIDIA is like a waterfall right now, guys. Okay, I took a 25% loss on it.
Sorry, Josh.
No, I said I took my 25% loss on my SPY calls, but I made a 60% on my the cube. So whatever a profit I made, out of 50% I lost. 50% still holding. I'm sorry.
Did you sell AMD or buy AMD?
No, AMD is a short right now. AMD is a beautiful short, guys. Right now, AMD is been once AMD in the morning it was a beautiful short. We're right here. Beautiful.
Dude,
right
we
there.
are dropping fast.
Faster than we can imagine. NVIDIA is a super duper short right now. NVIDIA
Dude,
is like a
look
waterfall.
at QQQ. I mean, that thing's dropping like a stone.
Yeah, 270 right there.
SPY $7 away from all those calls they bought.
Yeah.
It might happen.
There is something going on, guys. There's a lot of pressure right now. It has a tremendous pressure right now. Lot of pressure on it.
Guys, do you all see any news that this is a news-based drop?
The combination of all the factors and yesterday, maybe a continuation of yesterday. They didn't finish. It's not like we ended the day up, right? We ended the day down. They just opened up pretty flat, little bump up, maybe some positions closing. I don't see like...
Neil Kashkari says, I support 75 basis increase in June and could support another in July. So he's most dovish, and he's going for...
Yeah, but he said he could also do 0.50. No, finish the statement, Gopi. He said if we could still have 0.50, but it's data dependent, just like everything else. He mentioned going 0.50.
No, he said, Kashkari said, I supported the 75 in June and could support another in July. So
yeah, and then he said, he said both. He said data after that. You're right, absolutely. But then he said it's data dependent to still go on 0.50. He said literally it's data dependent, so that to get a 0.50 still. And isn't Kashkar is voting member?
No.
No, he's not. So it's almost irrelevant what he says too. That's not the cause. He's not even a voting member.
No, I'm trying to find the reason.
I'm telling you, Gopi. Do you need a reason? Was yesterday like bullish to you?
Market bouncing, guys. Watch out. Watch out.
Yeah, it's a trap.
Okay, guys. Divergent coming in. Watch out, guys. Okay, on a short side, divergent coming in. It could be a trap setup. But again, hold on. Let me draw the line.
Did you all know that Bank of Japan's Governor Kudo, he says we are ready to ease policy further if needed.
Man, that country is...
that country, I don't know where it is going.
Yeah, they're not gonna... Because they have too many old population over there.
Yeah.
Josh, what platform do you use to look at charts, to chart?
Oh, this is Thinkorswim. I mean, sorry, TradingView.
Okay.
All right, so SPY is breaking up. Resistance right here. We got to watch. This is the main resistance. If that breaks, then it can be a little bullish. If rejected, then it's gonna go down. Okay, so divergence we got to watch right here, guys. Long side divergence coming in. Just watch out. On a short side, guys, watch out. Take the profit and run. I would say in this area. And then again, I would re-enter. If that get rejected, yep, it can go down.
Very interesting. 2-year yields are not at all moving.
Man, those yields are manipulated, Gopi. Just be careful. One day here and one day there. That's what the Jeffrey Gunlock also tweeted yesterday. And I said that too. He also says powerful people can move powerful thing, because there was a QE going on. $14 billion QE going on this week. 14. Where the hell they came out? Last week was 3 billion, and this week 14 billion QE going on, just because to control the yield. I remember Tony, you sent me that link. So Josh, what does it mean? This one?
Yes.
That's the one. That's what it is. That's Jeffrey Gunlock also say powerful. Let me bring that. Actually, people want to see that. I can bring that. So
Gopi, for Google, I think we're gonna hit 2080 on Google. and then I think we might. I play like the market based on certain tickers as well. You know, like the way you play other tickers based on buying QQQ. I almost go vice versa. I think that's where it'll stop or get worse around 2080. And if it doesn't get past there, I will buy a call right there on like Aspire QQQ. 2080. Oh, there! Look at that. I don't know if you guys saw that candle. $4 candle right there.
On Google, right?
Yeah, 2111 to 2107.
Yeah.
Google is still Google has a weakness, guys. Google has a weakness. LOD. Google is has a lot of weakness because we're testing the floor right now. Google is testing the floor. If that floor goes off, then that's it. Game over.
I'll catch it, Josh.
Man, I had a UQT puts yesterday. I sold it. Sold it yesterday. I was holding overnight for 3 days, and look at that. Today could have been the printing.
No, Josh, it would have opened way red because of the rally before this sudden drop.
No, my UQT was like month away. I sold it. Just had a profit yesterday.
Got you. Yeah, I think 2080 in Google. Slightly. I want to say I'm very confident, but this market tends to shut me up fast.
Okay, so Google is right there. Yeah, Google, our price target is 2091 right there. Is if this floor takes off, Tony, right here, look at that. If this floor goes off, then that's it. Google gonna go down, which is 2100. Just look at this. 2100 breaks. It's gonna go down to
2080. I need at least.
20. Yep, right there.
Because I still have that 2150 from earlier that didn't fill because the bid spread was so bad. That kind of was a good thing.
Still the pressure is downward. Still pressure is downward, guys. Watch out. Look like pressure is downward. VIX is holding on the top. Apple, look at downward pressure too. Guys, oil is waterfall right now. Oil. That's why UQT is going downhill, guys. UQT, like a waterfall going on UQT.
All commodities are just, they're draining. I don't know what's going on there.
That means I think commodities are draining. We're expecting a recession. The market is expecting a recession, you know. So
wow, UQT has a beautiful, yeah.
If recession is on cards, I think QQQ calls will be the best. Long will be the best. Tech, long financials. Not long financials, long tech. Sorry.
Gobi, but is a recession priced in?
No, not yet. Because Biden keeps telling, we don't see anything. And Jerome
look at GME, how it's holding up with all this.
GME. GME is doing meme stuff. What we can look about it? They always hold, man. But yeah, that's the hedge. If something drops, you go there and shelter, right?
AMC is up 5%. That's insane.
Yeah. All right, guys. Market is trying to rebound. Let's see if that resistance, which was the previous floor, which is 260, 264, if that breaks poke through, then it's a bullish, guys. Okay. Then is a bullish.
Look at TLT, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-minute green candles. Bond yield taking a breather.
Tony, can't hear you, man.
Tony, you look like a robo.
Look at this. Gopi yesterday, Jeffrey Gunlock tweet about this one right here. 30-year yield took out 2018 closing high today. I mean yesterday, right? Only to powerfully reverse by 25 bips. Powerfully reversed by 25 bips. That's what he said too, and that's why yesterday yield was going higher. You know that yield was going down because that's what he thinks, that somebody took it down.
Look at the last statement. That marks an important trend reversal. That means bond yields are going down, is what he's thinking.
No, you don't read the proper duty. What he's saying is this is a powerful reversal, 20 bips. For this action is called throw over. Throw over. What does a throw over means?
I think the other way. Bond yields are going down.
They're controlling. That's what I'm trying to explain to you. This statement is a throwing over. 25 bips in an instant happens. That's dirty game. That's what I told you. They have a QE going on.
So what I'm saying is 25 handle, it went to 3 point, how much? 3.50 and then reversed to 3 point, how much? 3.20. So that means 25 handle reversal. That means he's saying that the trend has reversed. Bond yields are going down.
He was talking about politics, but he's not talking about technical. He's talking about politics.
Yeah, I'm talking about technical, saying that 25 basis points jumped in one day. It fell down. That means that's a powerful reversal on the trend.
So yesterday they did the QE. Last 2 days they did the QE, and today is going up. So that's what I was. Then I tweet about it. Hey, how long? How many days they can control? Then there is no choice. That's what is going. Look at this. Yield gonna go higher. Yield gonna go higher, and that's what I said too.
Josh, I am betting against. I'm thinking yield is going to go low.
I agree. Let's see.
Yeah.
Okay, LOD guys, SPY LOD. QQQ LOD low of the day, and VIX is flying high. Apple LOD guys, Apple breaking out right now. Apple is low of the day right here. It's breaking out. If that Apple breaks, man, it can go down. But this is supported. Okay, it's a support. Microsoft has a weakness right there. VIX is HOD. Right there. Yeah, Tony, let me add you up. Oh, Mr. Bull is here. Gopi, your friend is coming now.
Who is that?
You can guess.
Oh, FIFA.
You were right. That's why he never comes in the morning. He always see let all the bear go which direction, then I'll see. Then I'll enter. FIFA market is in free fall. Everybody is bearish. What do you think?
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, FIFA. Just joking, man. I don't mess with you in the morning.
What, me in the morning? Oh, I just wake up late.
Okay. But look at the waterfall right now in the market. Is like super duper down. Like, look at that 7 handle down right now.
Calls. I'm down 75%.
You just, man, you could have waited for the morning to come.
Well, I bought them at the morning.
Oh, okay. I thought you just woke up.
Yeah, they were up like 30%. I didn't take the money, and now they're down 75%. So,
man, imagine you could have woke up late. You could have saved your money.
I know, right? Or if I didn't wake up at all, I would have saved more money.
You got it. Right, price target 362. I said, remember yesterday, SPY, that's the price support right here. We tested today, guys.
So in order for me to break even, I would need high of day. So do you guys think high of day is possible today, or?
Well, nobody has a crystal ball. You have it. I don't have.
Yeah, I have it. So I think we're gonna go.
Josh has a crystal ball.
375 today.
Right now, guys, this is like right now the way things are looking to me. Forget about going north. Is the way pressure is something is cooking, and the pressure is downward, guys. It's all economical power, guys. This is okay. This is not like a game going on. I feel like that this is market is like want to take it down people portfolio so people can spend money, and people are right now getting rid of it because they can see a lot of turmoil going on in Europe and different world, and that's the fear.
Josh, can you check ADBE?
AD.
BE.
Oh, Adobe. Oh, yesterday sell off, and then it bounced opposite direction. Whatever happens is opposite.
Yeah, not sure. I am holding like that 350 put.
So what happened is market whenever look, you were holding the puts. Okay, you have to remember that they had an excellent earning. Stock went down opposite direction, right? So what happened is the market opens up. I know it was great, but then they're gonna volume button, they have it and they will control it. I think that's why price of control is right in the middle, 353, and that's where they are holding. You expecting to go up, market is going down, and this one is going up. Do you know why that is happening, Ankit? Because they know there's a lot of people are bearish because market is bearish, and they're gonna control right in the middle where premium gain wash out. That's what they are doing right now. So if I were you, I would take the money and run whatever would be, wherever we are. Now, nothing left here is just burning the premium.
Oh.
Will you look at TWLO, Josh?
What's the plan on that?
Maybe longing it at some point?
So TWLO, that EPS is like 0, which is, and they're expecting negative 19 cents. So the company is telling me that I'm gonna go to the more down. Company is telling that means this can go to $68. Right now is $80. It can go to 68. And if that breaks, yeah, in the way market conditions are, so this stock was 125 also, and it was 340. And I said announced 340. I say, hey, this is garbage gonna go down all the way down, and it touched my price target 125, and now we are $80, and now I think it's gonna go to this because company is telling me that I'm gonna be negative EPS 19 cents. So yeah, no problem.
Is Tesla bear flag?
Tesla bear flag, intraday or long?
1 minute.
Okay, now you champion on 1 minute, man. Tesla has a pennant, guys, no direction. Right here, it can go either direction. It can break upwards, it can break downwards.
Amazon looks like it's rolling over, Josh.
Amazon, right now, yeah, Amazon. But look, Amazon did not have a crazy sale, guys, today because it was oversold. Amazon. Tony, I tried to add you, man, 2 times. Apple is bouncing on the support, guys. Watch out on the short side now. Ticks are turning positive, and the MACD is also pointing, but there is no no buyer here.
Josh, you had mentioned PayPal earlier. What were your thoughts on that?
PayPal is so. PayPal now, what would happen is Apple is coming in, right, with the things. Everybody has iPhone, so PayPal would have a hard time. Maybe slowly PayPal can go to $50, maybe because of they are also kicked out of the eBay, and slowly. So right now EPS is good, 87 cents. But if the upcoming EPS and upcoming earning, if they miss the EPS, then slowly can go down, and I feel like that's what it's happening. This stock was $277. My friend wanted to buy it at that price, and because $300, he said to 250. He said it's a hell of a deal. I said forget about it, PayPal, hell of a deal. And look at that. After that, this is my 2020. I used to trade, and I used to tell people right there.
Oh, wow, cool. Thank you.
So look right now, whatever I said is that's what exactly happening on it.
Cool. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. So it's not about the support now on this. It's all about the what market is going on in direction. Guys, market is bouncing. Market is bouncing. VIX is popping.
Man, your Baba called Josh. Holy.
You still holding?
No, I didn't even get in. I didn't get in. But I'm impressed with that call. Nice job.
Mm-hmm. That was a good one actually. I saw the weakness, man. That could have been, look at that, man. Then this thing would have been the great print. Like somebody who holding, who could have been 150%. Okay, right there. Market has a weakness. Amazon more weakness right now. Apple is okay. I think it's just Market is just trading right there, man. EQT, look at that. EQT, man, is oil, guys. Be careful, oil. Okay, market. I mean, politicians are targeting all the oil company, guys. So be careful on oil side, guys. That's what I can tell you.
I personally think it's like a financial raid on oil to get it down.
Yeah, they're targeting. That's what
Josh, I shared the tweet. Jim Cramer told on 6th of June that oil is the one that you should buy dip for.
Let me look
By the way, Jim Cramer said to wait to buy stocks.
Mm-hmm. Man, equity at the support level right there is a crazy support level. Equity. I'm looking for oil sector. Which are the stocks is right now?
XLE, man, best shot. It's highly liquid. The
which one is the 3 leverage short? No, which is the 3 leverage or more?
Oh man, that I don't know.
5% down oil today. Look at the energy. Energy sector 5% down today. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. They want to bring the inflation to the ground, guys. That's what it look like. They know about the politics, man. Believe me, they got the power. They can change anything, man. They can change election. They can change gold. They can change Bitcoin. They can change anything, man. Then why they cannot change oil? They can change, man. That's how they are powerful, man.
Oh, look at that 5-minute candle on QQQ.
Yep, right now it's time to bounce, guys. Is price of control line right there, guys. Okay, so price of control line is right there. That's why.
TLT about to break HOD.
Josh, what are your thoughts on Roku?
1 second, just give me a second. Roku negative EPS, it can go, and their company saying that we're gonna have a negative 71 cent EPS. So these stocks slowly, if this condition low goes through, my price target is right here, which is $60. So right now is $79. It's gonna go to $60.
Oh wow, thank you.
Tony, I add you twice. I got into SPXL call for 1 month away. Again guys, this is not a financial advice, you have to do your homework.
What's the ticker again?
SPXL, triple leverage bull.
I'm sorry, how many weeks out?
They are monthly options. They are monthly option, buddy. Today is the last day of the month, and then again 1 more month.
And the last thing, what strike did you choose?
Oh man, I closed that. Hold on. $60.
Tesla's moving up.
SPXL is printing. Yep. Look at that movement. Look at that, right? Beautiful, right? So first I bought a SPY and I took a little loss, and then I said, you know what, forget about a SPY because that was expiring now. Let me go back to my SPXL. I love that. Look at those beautiful moves. Look at that trap. Let's set up now and look at that, man. Perfect entry, right? Oh, wow, I'm loving it.
How about the 70? That's not too terrible, right?
Yeah, that's fine. Long run. When you're in the money, you benefit. If you're not in the money, you have to wait for to gain more benefit.
Josh, are you seeing what I'm seeing?
No, sorry. What did you say?
Oh, like on the SPY.
SPY is beautiful. It was great. Now the SPY is... Okay, sorry, I was a little occupied. But yeah, SPY has a resistance right here at 3.
It's going to run out of gas pretty soon. I don't think it's going to even test that resistance.
I think market
Tony,
is...
are you selling your Google Plus?
No, my sell order got triggered. I had a $50 sell order, and it hit when it hit around 2106. So I...
Okay, good.
Okay, SPY is bouncing right there, but let's see. Man, look at that VIX, guys. Waterfall VIX. So that VIX is printing now. Yes, VIX.
I have $18 puts.
AMD still pressure down on YouTube. Somebody asking me AMD pressure down on YouTube. Guys, remember, market always gives an opportunity. You got to take the money and run. That's how things are. You know, market has a cycle, bull and bear, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 25 minutes, like that cycles. In that cycle, depends on what your time horizon is. You know, the longer the hold you have, the higher the risk you'll be having, guys. So just hope you understand, guys. This market, you have to understand, market have the intraday, then swing. Particularly options are dangerous. You play stock, then you are safer. You can have a little safety on a stock. So if you don't want to lose money in your portfolio, then the stock is the best way to go. Okay, stock is the best. Then I can tell you, man, you can really be the winner in this. If you stick to this community and play with the stock, then the best. If you play with the option, then you have to know the exit. Forget about the entry. You can blindfold entry, but exit is the most important part. Is okay. All right. So what AMD? Yeah, AMD now bounce. Market bounce. Everything bounce. Market first. Market first. Market first. Not the AMD. That's what I teach. Market first. My AMD is nothing. Okay, is that the job? Is he talking? Okay, I don't know. Congress for your for my kid graduation. Oh, thank you for AM for wishing for my kids. I appreciate. He is the one who set up my whole this studio, guys. Okay, that's the kid who will graduate from high school. Now he'll be going to college, and he is doing computer science. His major will be computer science in college. And yeah, today his last day in the school. He already applied the job somewhere in IT here, and they liked him, and they set up an interview on Monday on a Zoom call with the 6 people on a Zoom call. Can you imagine? The kid is not even 18-year-old.
I recommend that he save some money and do. Is he going to private or public school?
No, he's going college, Rutgers.
Oh, so state school?
Yeah, state school.
Yeah, try to see if he wants to take classes over the summer to get ahead so that he can finish early.
I mean, I want him to. He's very, very handy in terms of computers. So I want him to go and explore the world, because when he explored the world, he would know, because they are just like a kids right now. They're just coming out of the nest, and now they need to fly. So I want them to experience and let them do. That's fine.
Yeah, my biggest regret 2 years ago is that I didn't do community college for the first 2 years. Instead, I went to private. It was the same lessons, same education, same everything, but just much cheaper.
Understand.
Much cheaper.
No, the problem in the community is environment, guys. So we want this is Rutgers, man. Is one of the Ivy League but they did not accept the Ivy League because then they lose the funding. So that's why. So Rutgers is one of the best college in US.
I went to Rutgers, Josh.
Yeah, you see that, Tony.
Tony, you went to Rutgers?
Yeah, bro. I'm from Jersey. Where else am I gonna go?
Damn, nice. What did you study, Tony?
He's attorney, man.
Political science and economy.
Oh, okay.
See, I was stupid. I studied biology.
Yeah, that is stupid. I tell all my friends that. Everybody. The guy who studied biology ended up just going to nursing school after.
or if you're like me, you're into stock market.
That's better.
No, I want to actually do an MBA now and get a finance degree, so I'm doing 180.
I'm getting a finance degree right now trading these stocks. See this rejection right here.
Get out of your booty, bro. You're not getting a finance degree.
But he qualifies the way he trades, man. He moves the market. You notice that, dude? He said everybody was bullish in the morning. He said, nope, market gonna go down, and look what exactly market did. Market tank. And then he took the money. He took his money out.
Yeah, I hate you, Tony.
I am looking to buy the same exact one, right? Pretty soon, Josh. The same 2150 and get out again. I don't trust this rally.
Gotcha.
I don't understand it. I just can't imagine so much buying and holding into the weekend. I could be wrong and we fly, because I see puts on UVixi, right? But I just don't understand who's going, even if they close out all the positions, they'll have to buy. I just don't understand who's going to buy and hold into this 3-day weekend.
Gotcha.
We had something similar on the Memorial Day weekend, where we flew high, like insanely parabolic moves.
But that was not as bad as I'm talking about the macro we have right now is a little worse.
Only thing is, I'm just quad, which is very, very important accountability because of SEC rules. SEC rule is strong on quad witching. So if that can happen, then that's why it's always, as long whatever you want to play, make sure people have a 1 month in your hand, and if it is stock in your hand, then you are safe. But if you play option, then it's dangerous. Just the intraday is the best for options.
Don't play zero DTE.
Yeah.
Save yourself your money, save your headache, save your portfolio. Don't play zero DTE. Let's see where this rally goes.
Well, market is right now the way trending is. Just be careful. We have the resistance here at 267.36, guys. If that breaks, then we have the resistance here at 368, write it down, 368.30, and then if that breaks, that's the price of control line, and then market can go higher. If it get rejected, it can go down. That's what can happen. So these are right now scenario.
Hey Josh, I have a question. Why did you play SPXL and not SPY?
Because I like to have a safety, because a long weekend, and it's a triple bull leverage. Triple bull leverage.
Would that affect the options?
So I prefer the safety. I prefer safety on that. Plus, I prefer the triple bull also. So if market goes my way, then I would also benefit. My opposite direction goes, I also lose. So risk is there, reward is there, but then I consolidated with the time frame, which is 1 month on SPXL. And if I look at, this is what I look SPY. If I look at right here, my thesis of this last 10 days, I mean last 1 2 3 4 5, so right here 5 days, I would say 3 4 15, we are down like 60 70 handle down, guys. SPY in 1 week. What do you think? 70 handle down, that means lots of short here market has done, right? Selling, lot of selling. There is a point where they have to breathe. Anytime market, same thing here also. There was a crazy sell off. People have a margin calls here in this cycle. Man, people were bleeding, and then market took a little bit north, right? But this drop is nothing versus this. This is bigger drop in 7 days. This took out 1.5 months. This is 7 days. And if you look at this, is 35, 45, 50 handle right here. 50 handle is a big in 7 days. So what I think is, anytime gap down go like that, so market has to breathe. I have never seen a market like this. In a pandemic also, when we had a lockdown announcement, worldwide lockdown, we did not have this situation like this. And I can show you right now. Remember this gap, 1 2, right? And then the green candle, look at this green candle is telling us that there's a no buyer, right? So if you look at a pandemic over here, look at, you compare here, only one gap here to here, that's it. Then market bounce in 5th day, right there, beautiful bounce. And then here also sell off, but look at these are green days. Right, you see this? So there is nothing what I see here than here. That's the pandemic time. So if we compare here, this is like worse than pandemic here. This is worse than pandemic. I hope people can understand what I'm explaining. This is worse than pandemic. Never happened in history. That's what I was talking the other day. Never happened in history what it is. And I don't know, guys, but yesterday I did talk about this. I don't know, did you? Oh, okay. Trading view, and I just want to show you something. People who are listening here, you got to see this, Tony. This is the very, very interesting one, man. Okay, where is this?
I'm watching, Josh. I'm on YouTube.
Yeah, right there. New chart
And
layer.
look at Apple Rocket, guys.
Yeah. Hold on. I know. Apple is right now here. I'm gonna look at this. And this is the SPY. Look at this right here. Oh, this. If you look at here, guys, 2000. Let me go to this is 2008. I'm gonna go to here, which is weekly chart. Let me go to weekly so I can actually properly show you. 2008, 2002, 2008 right here. So if you look at the chart, similar pattern is forming, guys, right here. If you look at the similar pattern, let me get rid of this volume. Okay, remove. Look at this right now, 2008 pattern right here, and then look at the right now pattern is forming here, which is weekly chart. I gotta go. Let me show you something interesting, and you're gonna be zapped. Similar pattern is happening, guys, right now here. I gotta go here. Okay, look at that. Alrighty, so if you do this is the wedge. What's his name? Okay, we broke this wedge. FIFA, look at that wedge. You love wedge, right? So we broke the wedge, and look at that. That's the closing candle right there, and then 2008, and then we touch down here, pretty much here, right here. Look at that, right here. And if I measure my
Josh, the Fed released their semi-annual monetary policy 1 minute ago, and in the policy it states that there are further risks to supply chains abound on the way. I'll update you as more details from the report come out from the Fed.
Okay, alright, few more minutes and I'll be done. So I show it to the people so they can see right here. Same scenario, guys, here, guys. And if you look at it, this wedge is broken right there, right here. Same wedge broken down, weekly chart, gap right here. We are still, let me do from here so you can see market is here right now. And if I look at this, let me get rid of this so you can see this volume. Now look at the support. If I draw my support from previous year, if you look at it, 2020 pandemic support is right here. If I draw the support is right here. You know what is this support comes out, how much percentage comes out? You'll be amazed. Look at this, look at that. Now watch, look at this, guys, number 3963, 38 right here. Same pattern forming here, 2008, and this is 2022. So this is, if you want to click a picture, you can click picture, and you can 2008. Okay, this is 2008 right here. Sorry, 2008 scenario, and this is 2000. If you want to make a right here, this is 2000, same setup, 2022. Okay, so this is the same setup. Actually, you know what, let me put it in here so people can see very well.
Oh, and this is SPY. Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is the SPY, guys. So S&P 500 I'm just drawing right now. But if you look at the scenario right here, do you see anything like, do you see a mirror image, or do sometimes I think they have a bar system and they're gonna just put it into trigger. Let's play with the same 2008, 2008.
Let's copy and paste the market.
Copy and paste. I mean, I don't know. This is just yeah. Look, exactly. I draw these and it comes out exactly same at the support of these, 39% right there.
It doesn't repeat itself, but it does rhyme.
Right? It does rhyme, right?
So based on that, what's the price target you give?
Okay, price 218. 218 comes out. SPY can go to 218, but these would not, according to Gopi, this could be not wrong, because yield gonna go down. That means this gonna go north. So that you know, that's what can happen, right, Gopi?
I mean, see, there are a lot of charts like this going on. History can repeat. I've seen the same chart somewhere. Somebody else also posted similar one, 2008 2022 comparison. But man, I don't know, man, because there's a lot of issues in the system, you know, and I'm also thinking the China-Taiwan thing, you know, that could also break this. You know, there's so many unknowns.
Gopi, that's it, right? We need one to break it. What is it? What is the one that's gonna break it? Is it a Lehman Brothers moment?
Yeah, it's the China-Taiwan war, man.
It's the strengthening of the dollar in Lehman Brothers over in Europe. That's what I
Lehman Brothers over in Europe. Yeah, you said.
What's the name of the fund you're looking at, or the institution in Europe you're looking at, like the larger one that
Italy?
Some worries.
Italy?
No, I meant financial. Okay, you're talking about the country, but okay, I thought you meant in
the banks in Italy, guys. They have way too much debt.
Yeah, man, and something will happen. You know, it can go like Josh mentioned. It can go, but for time being, I think we will see. You know, this is like you know, it's a bear market, but it can be a bull right now. Bull within a bear market, a small bull within a bear market. That's what I'm saying.
Magat, you got a question, buddy? Go ahead, raise the.
I got a question. So, Josh, on your second chart, which is the 22 chart, you have the blue line.
You're breaking up, maybe breaking up. It's in and out.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear, but it kind of was like. Could you try now?
Is it better now?
TLT breaking out.
Go ahead.
Is it better now?
Yeah, now it's better.
Okay, so my question is, you have that is the blue line that you drew from the red candle on 2022 graph to the bottom. That's the percent difference that you would expect it to drop. So why would you go bullish if you know that there? Like
this is 1 year scenario. 1 year. This is 1 year. So what happens is this is just this is 1 week candle. So it doesn't mean there is always there is no straight line here. Okay, this is each candle represent 1 week. So this is just the point. I'm waiting for my 20% profit, because so what I know, why did I go bullish right here? So let me explain you why. I just explained here. This is all 50 handle down. So there is a one day you can go. So let me show you here. Same chart. I can show you right here. In this chart, let's go to 1 day. I mean a daily chart. So if I go to one daily chart, 2008. No, this is not 2008. 2008 right here. 2008 right here. Okay, so right here, look. These are the scenario, sympathetically scenario. Yeah, this one did not have one in a single green candle in between here to here. Damn, that was the day.
No, that's because Josh, something broke them there.
Oh yeah. We are about to break here too, but whenever it happens. Yeah. So my look. So my thesis right now. Look, right now I can take exit and I can make 10% profit right now, right? So if I have to do that, so my goal is short term, guys. I always care about, what I care about. I care about few cents and I'm out. So, and that's what I announced too. So I try to get I'm a super duper bearish, guys. When I buy calls, is intraday, everything intraday. I feel like that, but I prefer safety because we have a long weekend and we are oversold 50 handles down, guys. 5 days, never happened in history like that. 5 days, 50 handles down like that. So that's why I feel like a little bounce. Market always have a bounce because of quarter each month. But yeah, good question actually. Okay, I like the questions what you guys ask, because I'm like to be very transparent whenever I trade, whatever I do. You need to read my mind why I'm doing that, because I always try to lay out bulls and bear scenarios, and try my best.
So Josh, my question is, you're not going to hold these bullish calls till next week. You're going to probably exit these by the end of the day.
No. Why? 50 handles. Remember, 50 handle is a lot for me. Anytime 50 handle is a lot, right? So that's the only one reason. I just need a little bit whenever I get, maybe Monday market open or Tuesday, whenever that happens. Maybe today also. Maybe today, because it can happen. Today is remember called which month, and they might take a little more. I may benefit out of it. That's why we just exhausted.
Are you in any positions right now?
For me, I'm in a long position SPXL, but I have enough time. I'm not playing right now intraday, anything intraday holding that I want. I'm worried. I'm holding long term. Long term mean to say is my safety. Long term safety is my long term, but I would take little money if I get something.
That makes sense. Thank you so much.
No problem, man. I don't challenge, guys. Hope you understand. I don't like to go against these. Look at the Apple, guys. HOD. Apple HOD. Apple HOD. Wow, look at that run up, guys. Apple. Look at that run up. HOD breakout on Apple. Apple wants to go, guys. Okay, Apple wants to go. Look at that QQQ HOD. No, not QQQ is not HOD, but about to run up right there. Wow, man, SPXL is same thing. I bought SVIX also, right? Because when we were here and I say, well, know what, let me go that. So that's why it's benefiting. I'm just playing against the little thesis of whatever I see. As long as I benefit. Same thing Baba today. Baba market was going down. Baba was pre-open, now market up. Look at this right now. Market is trying HOD, QQQ, very close to HOD, very, very close. Because of the Apple, I guess. Guys, I have a few more minutes and then I'll be leaving.
What is SPY resistance, if you have time?
SPY resistance right there. It's 367.36. If this breaks, then SPY can go test next. Write it down, guys. 368.46. And once that breaks, then it can test the HOD. HOD would be HOD would be 369.40. So right now the market wants to go, and look like QQQ already faster than the SPY. QQQ technology stocks are faster than the SPY. And VIX is LOD, guys, trying right now. VIX is LOD. And Apple just broke, guys. Apple just broke. Still is kind of like touching down, breaking, touching down, breaking. So it's all about the bull scenario and a bear scenario. Depends on time horizon. People who you choose, the time horizon is important. Google is trying, guys, higher.
Oh my god.
That's why people have to take a positions every time market gives a cycle, right? It goes up, goes down. Don't be greedy. Whatever the profit was, you're supposed to take the profit and run. The moment you become more greedy, then market change the direction. If it is intraday, then guess what? All the things get washed out and you'll be holding hopes and never know. Then the theta decay can play a big role if you're holding options weekly, overnight. Maninder 2008 22 right here, yeah, 2008. So this is I laid out too. I tweet about it. Okay, this chart. So if you want to see that chart one more time, I just post it here so you can see. Right here on YouTube. So people who wants to, right here. This is what happened in 2008 and now 2002. So if something breaks, then 2022 will repeat to 2008, and I feel like that it would do it. It might not be exact same layout, but yes, definitely can happen somewhere. We're gonna go one step at a time. But so far I feel like that. Excuse me. All right, I'm gonna close this.
took a picture of that. Could they post it to the group chat?
On a Discord, you go then on a Discord and you go to live chat, and I post the whole video. So
thank you.
Yeah, on a live chat I posted the whole video too. On I can tell you right now. Yeah, this one right here. So I post one more time if you want. Copy link. Oh, that was the. Oh, right, no, not this one.
Want to send that to my grandma?
Grandma? Oh, cool. No, reply. Here is.
I have an aunt, and I told her like what the situation. She said, "Well, look what happened in 2000 when the pandemic it bounced." I was like, "I don't know. This time's different."
Okay. So, oh man, there's a video. You can link through or not? Can you see or not? Last.
I see text only.
Yes. So, but I linked to that actually. Okay. Alrighty. Because that's the video, man. I could not.
I found it.
Yeah, you found it, right? I posted yesterday 1 o'clock, 1 o'clock 28, 1:28 a.m. night. Okay, BA is HOD.
What does HOD mean? Sorry.
High of the day. That's fine. No problem. You don't have to be worried. You don't have to.
Okay, I thought.
Yeah, so guys, anybody who is here on space or anybody, you don't have to be worried about asking any question. Don't hesitate. I understand everybody's area is expert is different. So you can ask anytime any questions. Do not need to be shy. So, yep, anytime guys, okay? Always ask me the question. I would be I can joke around with FIFA and my other co-member here, but I will not joke with you guys.
Thank you, because I'm very new to it, so thank you.
Yeah. Right, FIFA?
Yep. Josh sits all day thinking of ways to mess with my thesis. Mess with my head. You see a rising wedge on the 1 minute on
market you look at that SPY just got rejected right at the draw. I draw the line right there. You see that? Now the price of control line is right there, 365.67. Okay. All right, guys. Today is a Friday and a beautiful day. I think. Okay. We're looking bullish today, trying to be shake out bears. Possibly could be. It depends on it, guys. I like to play the candles and see what happens.
They're trying to shake out both bears and bulls.
Yeah, market will. That's what market is doing right now.
Yeah.
All right. So those who are new here, guys, I'm always on Twitter. Right here, and I'm always streaming my screens, guys. Okay, I'm sharing my screen so people can see on YouTube. So those who are new, they can go and click on my profile, and there's a link right here where you can click, and there's a right here YouTube live link. That's where you can see my screens right there. If those who are on joining the Twitter space, because Twitter space you can interact with me, right, but you cannot see my screen. So if you want to see, everything is free, guys. Okay, YouTube live is free. I'm sharing my screen, it's free. You can join there on YouTube. Today, guys, I have a my son graduation, so I have to leave in few minutes. In fact, I'll be closing in a couple of minutes, and then I'll try my best. If I get off early from there, then I'll come back and I'll open the space and I'll tweet. I will tweet, so those who follow me, they'll be able to get my tweet that I will immediately say, hey, room is open, and they'll be able to join.
Okay. Do we get to see pictures today?
Hey, Josh, congratulations on your son. And the other thing is a question not asked is a stupid question, and that's coming from somebody that was afraid to ask questions. Remember that. An unanswered question is a stupid question.
Yeah, unanswered question is a stupid question. Well said, man. Yeah, absolutely. But yeah, no problem, guys. You can DM me any questions you have. I mean, sometimes it takes time to DM me, but always come forward on space and ask me the questions, and I'll try my best to answer the question. Anything related to the market, you can ask me the question anytime. Yesterday I had a lot of conversation with George Noble, guys. Lot of conversation with him on a DM, and he was oh man, I'll talk about later on, guys. But I'm trying to talk to him. Maybe you know, he has a crazy experience, guys. I like to get very close to him and try to gain a lot of confidence, because he has a confidence, guys. I like the confidence what he has, and I need to gain a lot of knowledge from him, man. So yeah, but absolutely, guys. So I'll be right back. I'll be back later, and I'll tweet about it when I'm back. Okay. So those who are looking for link is right here, and those who want to donate anything, right here, Venmo, PayPal, Cash App. And if you benefit, always, guys, to help me out whenever you have. These are all donation links are PayPal, Venmo, and Cash App. All right. So thank you for being here today, guys. I have to leave now, but definitely I'll tweet back. Okay. If I'm
Take
back.
care, Josh. See you later. We'll try to keep it going on this.
Wait.
All right.
Josh,
Thank you,
where
guys.
are you going? Where are you going?
Oh, I'm going to college. My kids has a graduation. Okay.
Oh, okay, right on. Congratulations to him, and good parenting on you. You got him through it.
So thanks, man, guys.
Congratulations to him.
Yep. Thank you. Thanks, guys.